mutabani we yawasizza akazungu akakyala kamanyi n'ofukamira kamanyi owaata amatooke banange by the way abaana b'omusumba ono balina empisa. If you've been following up twalabako muwala we, is it Dorothy? Baana bali very humble ate nga baana ba musumba baana you know sono yasazeewo awase nga akyali muto ensi temutwalatwala bwetyo nemwonoona. You know, sometimes when you're someone that settles down kikuyambako okwezimba gwe ng'omuvubuka. So we say congratulations ku bafumbo, the newly wed, the newly introduced. Byonna tutwaliraawo kati tulabe emboozi eno tukyagenda mu maaso ddala ne programu enganzi programu.
And this is truly a testimony today of his faithfulness and his goodness.
Little did I know that at Oral Roberts University, we would not get just degrees, we would get the gift of Malina.
Our message to them is that everything is possible. We didn't start where we are now. And I'm glad my son today, when he was choosing a gift to give, he kept that train ticket. And that's why he has put in a frame and gave it to his girlfriend as a gift to remind her that I really love you. If I didn't love you, I would not have moved from where I was to go to Denver. Love is number one. That's why the issue of dowry should be totally disregarded. Gifts, yes. Appreciation, yes. Celebration, yes. So my advice would be to parents that let them be reasonable in demanding. And we need to actually exhaust that. By demanding exorbitantly, are you solving a problem of their lack and poverty?